The HAPPYBAG Kids Nightlight is a charming and practical addition to any child's bedroom or nursery. This nightlight stands out with its adorable dog-shaped design made from soft, food-grade silicone that is both squishy and safe for babies and toddlers. It is BPA-free and crafted from materials that are non-toxic and harmless, making it suitable for young children to touch, knead, and even use as a stress relief toy. This multifunctional aspect adds to its appeal, as it serves not only as a light source but also as a comforting companion for children at bedtime. The lamp's soft silicone body is designed to be durable and resilient, capable of withstanding rough handling from small children without damage. One of the key features of this nightlight is its rechargeable battery. It comes with a USB charging cable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The built-in 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery provides about 6 hours of continuous light on a full charge, which is convenient for nighttime use without the hassle of cords or frequent battery replacements. This portability means the lamp can be placed anywhere in the room or even taken along for travel, camping, or as an emergency light. The cordless design enhances its usability and safety, as there are no cords to trip over or outlets to worry about. The lighting itself is thoughtfully designed with dimmable functionality. Users can adjust the brightness by simply tapping the dog's nose or body, allowing for easy control even in the dark. The light offers a warm to cool spectrum ranging from 2700K to 6500K, providing a soft, warm glow that helps children fall asleep peacefully without harsh glare. Additionally, it features a timer option with 30 and 60-minute settings, so the light can automatically turn off after a set period, which is ideal for parents who want to ensure the light doesn't stay on all night. This touch control and timer function make it very user-friendly and adaptable to different needs. Parents and users have praised the HAPPYBAG Kids Night Light for its effectiveness in soothing children who are afraid of the dark. The cute dog shape appeals to kids, especially those who love animals, and has been reported to help reduce nighttime fears by providing a comforting presence. The gentle illumination creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that encourages restful sleep. Several reviews mention how children quickly become attached to the lamp, often treating it like a loyal friend. Charging the lamp is straightforward with the included USB cable, and the battery life is generally strong, lasting through the night and beyond. The lamp weighs just under 6 ounces and measures 8.2 by 3.6 by 2.3 inches, making it compact enough to fit on a bedside table or a nursery shelf without taking up much space. Its modern style and neutral color make it a versatile, decorative piece that fits well with various room decors. However, some users have noted a few drawbacks. A common concern is that the charging port can be somewhat fragile, with reports of the port detaching after about a month of use. This issue points to potential quality control or manufacturing weaknesses that could affect the lamp's longevity. Additionally, because the light is touch sensitive, it can be easy to accidentally change brightness settings when moving the lamp around, which might be inconvenient for some. Despite these minor issues, the overall consensus is very positive. The lamp's combination of safety, functionality, and adorable design makes it a standout product in the nursery nightlight category. It is highly recommended for parents looking for a nightlight that is both child-friendly and practical. The lamp's multifunctionality as a light and a soft toy adds unique value, making it more than just a simple illumination device. In summary, the HAPPYBAG Kids Night Light offers a delightful blend of cute design, safe materials, and useful features such as dimmable lighting, timer settings, and portability. It has proven effective in helping children sleep better by providing a warm and reassuring glow. While some durability concerns exist, the lamp's benefits outweigh these minor drawbacks. It is an excellent gift for babies, toddlers, and young children, suitable for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. For anyone seeking a reliable, charming, and easy-to-use nightlight, this product is a compelling choice. If you own this lamp, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions.